Hello friends, today we are going to learn 10 emotions. So let's get started. Happy. This is happy. Can you say happy? Sad. This is sad. Can you say sad? Angry. This is angry. Can you say angry? Excited. This is excited. Can you say excited? Scared. This is scared. Can you say scared? Surprised. Can you say surprised? Sleepy. This is sleepy. Can you say sleepy? Shy. This is shy. Can you say shy? Proud. This is proud. Can you say proud? Calm. This is calm. Can you say calm? Bye bye friends. Today we learned so many emotions. Bye bye friends. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Mom and Me Fun Factory.